we are going to learn how to basically assign a defined name to move us forward with using the PMT function and the PV function. So we're gonna set these as defined names. Alright, so the first step is going to be to go to this worksheet and then create defined names based on the criteria, which is going to be B6 to C11 using the values in the left column only. So we're going to go to create from section. We're going to use left column only. We're going to press OK. So now we are going to start. Basically, it's going to assign those defined names based off of these. So now you know that the yearly interest rate is this, the monthly interest rate is this. So if you click this, it'll mean this is what it's going to assume that you're referring to. So so here we go. Calculate the monthly payment for scenario 1 as follows. So in cell C10, we're going to go here, and then we're going to put enter formula using the PMT. So I think this is for the payment. Okay, and then we're going to go open up this to make it easier, the insert function. So right here, it's going to let us know that the PMT calculates the payment for a loan based on the constant payments and the constant interest rate. So here on the first one, it wants the rate. So this is the interest rate per period for the loan, for example, 6% for quarterly payments, blah, blah, blah. So for this one, we're going to go ahead and we're going to use the monthly interest rate in cell C8. So we're going to put in that interest rate here, and it's going to use the defined name, which is going to be the monthly interest rate. And then after that, we're going to use the NPER, and this is going to be is the total number of payments for the loan. And then we can go here, term and months. So it's going to be 60 payments. And then after that, we're going to go and we're going to get the PV, which is going to be the present value, the total amount that a series of the future payments is worth now. So we're going to go ahead and grab this. That's the loan amount. So then it gives us a result here, and we're going to put done. And there we have it, monthly payment. It's going to be $16,747. All right, now we're going to go on to the PV, and for this scenario, it's going to be scenario 2. Carla wants to make a monthly payment of $17,000 at an annual interest rate of 4.45%. She wants to know how much she can borrow on those terms. Calculate the loan amount for Carla as follows. In cell D6, so D6, we are gonna insert the PV function. And then, of course, I'm gonna open it up here again. And it's very similar. Let's see. So the PV, it returns the present value of an investment, the total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. So again, we're gonna go to the rate, and for the rate, we are gonna go back over here and put the interest rate. So it's gonna be it's going to be the monthly interest rate, so it's going to be D8. And then we're going to move on to the second one, which is going to be the NPER. And the NPER is the total number of payment periods in the investment. So we know this is going to be here. And then we are going to move on to the payment. So the payment is the payment made each period and cannot change over the life of the investment. So for the payment period, we're going to put in the D10, and then it gives us another result. So it's going to be right here. We're going to press done. And this would be the end of scenario 2. Okay, and then for scenario 3, we're going to use, so Carla wants to know the total amount spent for a loan of $895,000 at an annual interest rate of 4.1% and an annual monthly rate of $16,000. Calculate the future value of the loan for Carla as follows. So in cell E11, which is here, we're going to put equals the FV, which is going to be for future value, and we're going to, so it returns the future value of an investment based off the periodic constant payments and a constant interest rate. So for this one, same thing, we're going to go into E8 and we're going to grab the interest rate. We're going to go to NPR, which is the total number of payment periods in the investment, which is going to be 60. And then we are going to go to the payment. For the payment, it's going to be this amount, and then we're going to get our total amount here. So it's going to be the future value. This would be the loan amount, blah, blah, blah. These are the monthly payments. But yeah, you can use this for all types of stuff in the future if you're ever looking to maybe get a car or a home loan or stuff like that. And that's pretty much it.